Hi, we're Team Mifshan, and we are here to participate in 2023 Global Forum, Technology and Politics, Law and Politics. Firstly, I want to ask a question. Will technological advancement make humans' life happy? To answer this question, you must first be able to say when human life is happy. Aristotle said that humans are social animals. It means that humans are always need to interaction with others and using languages and gestures. In other words, humans are happy only when they can propose their own opinions and share them with others.
In the 21st century, digital communications grew exponentially, and this led to the development of the internet. Various people around the world have been able to exchange information without restrictions of time and space. And so-called sealed information has been formed in the internet world. But is it a useful ocean?
The seal of information reduces the importance of pieces of information. No one wants to read and understand all the information on the internet. The same is true of political opinions. People don't care or try to understand all of these issues. Like this, so many opinions are shared by others that people lose a will to share their own opinions or accept others' opinions. We call this phenomenon political indifference. Yet, did you know that this political indifference is already being around us? Tim Ipsion did a survey to prove this from June 8 to 11. In BIHS, 61.1% of students felt that their opinions were ignored during class meetings, which is the first step to participating in school political process. Most of students feel that their opinions are not useful. As a reason for this, too many opinions of others, 81.8%, was the highest. In other words, since so many students present their opinions too much, students think that their opportunity to present their own opinions is disappearing. This is one of form of political indifference in school. And surprisingly, for students, the reason they suffer from political indifference is not that they don't have any opinions, but that they don't have ways to share them.
So our team Ipsen found a way to solve political indifference in school with smartphones, the technology we are most familiar with. We created a site that can be accessed quickly using the smartphone that students use most. The title of the site is Political Participation Point, which means helping students participate in school politics, aka P3. What functions does P3 offer? The first is Opinion Cabinet. We categorize various students' opinions by topics and level of importance, making it easier for students to think. The second is Participating Politics. This is a function that helps students to submit their opinions directly. They can also use the empathy function and add comments.
Through P3, we expect that we can change students' view that their opinions can go to school directly and actually give them the chance to say their idea. And finally, we want to know that this site can be used politically outside of school or real politics. So we created a site using programs. Did you ever see this main screen of P3 on June 12th in the main hallway of BIHS? Actually, we introduced this site and make our students use this. All BIHS first and second graders use this site freely. Students were able to view opinions about their students' school life using Opinion Cabinet. They could also write down their own opinions using political purchases. Also, they pressed the like or wrote comments on others' opinions. Although it was during the lunch and dinner time, about 100 students participated. There were a total of 107 opinions from the students. The most popular opinions was about the dormitory rooms. Students posted that they want Wi-Fi, air conditioner in dormitory rooms. Also, they think that they want that their studying room mood will be changed more freely to study without press. And there are other opinions like disagree with morning exercising program, show me some specific way to enter good universities, create more varied lunches or the smell of school restrooms and some things. This show that students are interested in politics when they have a clear way. When they were asked something to submit to school committee, they didn't say anything. But site show that students have hold on to many complaints and our site can help them share those complaints.
But this isn't enough. We want to know that our site to actually make people be interested in politics. We interviewed three first-year students and three second-year students who wrote opinions on P3 to find answers.
During the interview, we asked the students how much they were interested in politics before, how helpful our site was to express that opinion, and whether they would be willing to use it if commercialized in the future. The students answered that they have had a lot of opinions about school and the site helped them share them. And students who hadn't think a lot about school said that they can get the time to think about the school politics policies using P3. Additionally, if this P3 were used for in the world, it could be useful. However, some changes could be made for easier use.
The interview, which took place the day after the site was posted, led the students to conclude that this site has the potential to solve political indifferences.
Too many and complex opinions led to political indifference. So, our team, IFSHAN, has created a site to address this political indifference in the schools of political process. Our site not only proposed an easy and quick window for students to suggest opinions, but also provided a function to classify and show opinions according to importance and topic.
Finally, we discover a possibility for making students more interested in politics through this website. We start with the experiences that occur in the classroom and finish with the possibility that it can solve the problem of the political world. It has infinite potential to be useful outside of school. In a city, in a country, and perhaps in a world where more technology will develop and more information will pour out.
Now it's our turn to answer the questions asked in the introduction. Will technological advancement make human life happy? Our team's answer is yes. Although problems can arise due to the side effects brought on by technology, even the problem can be solved using technology. In the future, if these technologies can be used to solve various human problems and move forward to a more convenient world, social animals all over the world will be able to enter into a world where they can find their happiness living in harmony. Thank you for listening.